You know what? I wear clothes. But you know what? I sleep like this in the night. But when I feel like party, I take it all off. Cause you know what? I have it all, baby. I have shoes. I have shoes. You know, baby, I have pants. Look at this. I take it off. Baby Jesus, I have pants. I take my pants off. And baby Jesus, I take my pants. And I swing them. I swing my pants, baby Jesus. You know what? Baby Jesus, I take it. I can take my pants. I can make a scarf, baby Jesus. And then I have a scarf. I can take a scarf off too. Baby Jesus, I have a ring on my finger. I have a ring. I have a watch. You know what, look? I have hair too. And I can take my hair off. No, I can't take my hair off because it's stuck on my head, but anyway, I can take this away. Baby Jesus, I don't have anything left. No. Baby Jesus, I am exposed. I am naked. And I'll be scared, like Maria Montgomery says, but she talks to Swedish sometimes in the middle of meeting. But I am, baby Jesus, I am the boy that is fake. Take off clothes and get out of the shower, clean up my body. Baby Jesus,